Almost every Toyota owner has a can of WD-40 sitting in the garage, but around 90% of them never use it to anywhere near its full potential. And here's the shocker. Dealership mechanics quietly gatekeep the tricks that could save you thousands in repairs on your Camry, RAV4, or Tacoma. Today, we're revealing 18 WD-40 tricks that put serious money back in your pocket. Don't skip ahead, because number 3 alone can literally save you $3,000. Let's start with trick 18. Unstick a stubborn Toyota gas cap. Your Corolla or Highlander's gas cap threads get incredibly filthy over time, and the rubber gasket dries out from fuel vapors. The fix is simple. Spray WD-40 generously around the plastic threads, the underside of the cap, and the rubber sealing ring. And then let it sit for a minute to cut through the fuel gum residue before wiping it down with a clean microfiber cloth. The formula dissolves hardened grime, lubricates the plastic threads, and restores a clean seal that clicks tight every single time. Add a light follow-up coat before you screw it back on, and the cap will turn smoothly, seal properly, and stay clean for months. Do this every few months, and you'll likely never see an EVE app-related check engine code again. Most Toyota owners burn hundreds of dollars chasing that annoying dashboard light through dealership. Diagnostics when the fix was sitting in the garage the whole time. It's a 2-minute job that keeps a check engine light from ruining your morning. Trick 17. Remove water spots from your Toyota side mirrors. Those cloudy white spots cling to your side mirrors like they've been baked on because mineral deposits from rain and car washes bond to the glass, leaving a haze that distorts your reflection. Here's what actually works. Mist a little WD-40 directly onto the mirror glass. Let it sit about 30 seconds, then buff gently in circular motions with a clean microfiber cloth. The mineral deposits lift right off, leaving glass that's clear, streak-free, and glare-resistant. And the thin, water-repelling layer it leaves behind makes rain bead straight off your mirrors during heavy downpours. Make it a habit after every wash, and your mirrors stay clear far longer than you'd expect. A clear side mirror isn't only about looks, it's about spotting the car in your Toyota's blind spot before it's too late. Trick 16. Clean leather and vinyl seats. Dirt and body oils grind into your Toyota's soft TX or leather seats until that rich factory surface looks dull, cracked, and tired. And most people reach for expensive detailing conditioners or harsh chemical cleaners that strip the finish even further. Here's what the pros do instead. Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a microfiber cloth, never directly onto the seat, and wipe along the natural grain of the upholstery. The formula lifts embedded grime and dissolves surface oils without soaking through, and you'll see the dirt transfer onto the cloth almost instantly. Follow with a dry wipe and the seat looks darker, cleaner, and more supple. Run it along your door inserts and console trim too, since they collect the same armrest oils. Badly cracked leather is nearly impossible to fully restore, so keeping it supple now saves you from an expensive interior reupholstery job later. Trick 15. Clean and restore your truck and SUV tires. Your rugged Tacoma, Tundra, or RAV4 tires wear that dull, brownish film no amount of soap and water seems to remove because brake dust, road tar, and rubber oxidation leave the sidewall looking flat and neglected. Here's the move. Spray WD-40 on the sidewall and work it in with an old cloth or detailing brush. It cuts through the oxidation and road tar in seconds, lifting the brown layer to reveal the deep black rubber underneath. Wipe off the excess, and the difference is instant with tires that look darker, cleaner, and freshly detailed, plus a barrier that slows the browning process between washes. A quick pass before a weekend cruise or road trip makes the whole vehicle look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Clean black tires make the entire vehicle look $1,000 sharper. Your windshield carries a smeared oily road haze that turns every oncoming headlight into a blinding starburst, which isn't just annoying at night, it's genuinely dangerous. That film is a mix of road exhaust, tree sap, and silicone vapor gassing off your dashboard that water alone never removes. Spray a light coat of WD-40 on the glass, spread it evenly with a microfiber cloth, give it 30 seconds, then wipe it completely off with a clean dry cloth. What lifts off will surprise you, and the surface underneath comes out clear, smooth, and slick enough that heavy rain sheets straight off instead of smearing. Wipe down your wiper blades while you're at it, and your visibility in the next storm will feel like a brand new car. Trick 14. Restore your exhaust tips. Your Toyota's exhaust tips are black, carbon-caked, and dragging down the back end of an otherwise good-looking vehicle. And that hardened soot bakes on at extreme heat where regular car soap won't even touch it. Reach for the WD-40. Spray it generously inside and around the tip. Let it soak into the baked carbon for a minute or two, then work it with a cloth or soft bristle brush. The buildup starts releasing almost immediately, lifting off the metal in long, dark wipes. Buff it dry and the tip shines like it just left the showroom floor. If your Camry or Tundra has dual tips, do both at once so the finish matches perfectly and looks intentional rather than half done. Trick 12. Restore heavy-duty rubber floor mats. Your all-weather Toyota rubber mats look cracked, faded, and permanently dirty even right after a pressure wash because mud, salt, and grime have ground in so deep a rinse barely helps. After hosing them down, spray a light coat of WD-40 over the dry surface and spread it evenly. It seeps deep into the rubber, restoring flexibility and pushing out the deep grime water can't reach. Wipe off the excess, let them dry, and when you lay them back into the footwell, they look dark, refreshed, and solid black again, the way they did when the car was new with a protective layer that repels moisture and makes the next cleanup far easier. The same works on your trunk liners and cargo mats, so don't stop at the cabin floor. Trick 11, restore faded taillights. Your taillights have gone milky and yellowed from constant UV exposure, making your vehicle look years older than it actually is. And worse, the haze scatters your light output and makes you harder to see from behind, which is a major safety issue, not just a cosmetic one. Spray WD-40 onto the lens and wipe in smooth circular motions with a microfiber cloth. Almost immediately, the fog lifts and the lens looks clearer, brighter, and sharper as the formula fills microscopic scratches and leaves a thin UV-resistant layer that slows future fading. Keep a can in the trunk and hit the lenses every couple of months. In some states, badly faded taillights can actually get you pulled over, so they are clear about more than appearances. Before we get to the WD-40 hacks that will really blow your mind, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us keep bringing you the secrets mechanics don't want you to know. Trick 10, clean dusty interior surfaces. Your dashboard and door panels carry a thick gray dust film that ordinary quick wipe downs never fully clear. Spray a little WD-40 onto a microfiber cloth, never straight at the plastic surface, and wipe along the dash, door panels, center console, and trim. It traps and lifts dust instead of just spreading it around, and leaves a conditioning layer that helps plastic and vinyl shrug off future buildup, so your interior looks cleaner and stays cleaner longer. Pay extra attention to the air vents, because the dust packed into those fins is exactly what gets blown back through the cabin every time you run the AC, which means a few minutes here actually makes the air you breathe noticeably fresher. Trick 9, add a quick protective coat to your paint. Your paint is under attack every day from acidic bird droppings, sticky tree sap, road tar, and bug guts, any of which can etch directly into your clear coat if left to bake in the sun. After a thorough wash and dry, mist a little WD-40 onto one body panel at a time and buff it evenly with a clean microfiber cloth. The surface takes on a deep, wet-looking shine, and the slick film left behind makes road contaminants slide off on contact. It's not a permanent replacement for a professional wax or ceramic coating, but is a quick layer of protection between full details. It's one of the most underrated moves in a detailer's kit. Focus heavily on the hood and front bumper since they take the worst of the road debris and bug impacts at highway speed. A basic respray on a single panel at a dealership body shop can run anywhere from $300 to over $1,000. Trick 8, free up a stiff seat belt. Your Toyota seat belt is sticking mid-pull, snapping back unevenly, or fighting you every time you draw it across. And a belt that doesn't retract properly may not hold proper tension in a crash. So it's absolutely not something to ignore. With the belt out to full extension, run a clean cloth dampened with a light mist of WD-40 along the fabric webbing, then let it retract slowly several times. It loosens built-up grime, frees the internal spring mechanism, and restores that smooth, consistent factory pull and retract. Do every belt in the vehicle while you're at it, since if the driver's side is stiff, the passenger sides usually aren't far behind. A seatbelt assembly replacement at a dealership can run anywhere from $200 to $500 per seat. Well, it's not a permanent fix if the belt is genuinely worn out, but it's the fastest way to learn whether you need a brand new belt or just a clean one. While you're under the hood, check the belt for cracking or fraying, because if the rubber is breaking down, no spray will substitute for a proper replacement. A new serpentine belt can cost anywhere from $100 to $250 in labor alone at a shop, so knowing the difference before you walk in keeps a service writer from upselling you. Trick 5, free up stiff window tracks. Your power window grinds, squeaks, or hesitates every time you roll it down, and it gets significantly worse in the winter because the rubber-lined channels collect dust, road grime, and moisture until the glass is practically dragging through mud. Lower the window halfway, spray WD-40 directly into the exposed rubber track on both sides, then run it up and down slowly several times to work the formula through the whole channel. What was grinding now glides almost silently, with the debris completely cleared and the rubber kept pliable in any weather. Don't skip the rear windows since those tracks get neglected even longer. In winter especially, a frozen track can snap the window regulator mechanism if you force it, and one quick spray keeps everything moving. A window regulator replacement can run $150 to $300 at a shop, and properly lubricated tracks are the easiest way to make sure you never need one. Trick 4, free up sticky sienna sliding doors and side mirrors. Whether it's the power sliding door tracks on a Sienna minivan or the power folding side mirrors on a RAV4, these motorized pivot joints constantly stop adjusting. The motor strains every time you hit the button, and you're left with a malfunctioning door or a blind spot. The motor usually isn't the culprit. It's the mechanical pivot joints gummed up with road grime and corroded with moisture sitting inside the housing. Spray WD-40 carefully into the joint hinges and around the adjustment mechanism housing. Give it a minute to penetrate, then try the controls again, and you'll often feel the mechanism loosen right away and track smoothly through its full range. On manual mirrors or tailgates, the same spray restores easy movement and keeps the joint from locking up after a heavy rain or snow. A pre-winter spray takes 2 minutes and can spare you a frozen mechanism on the coldest morning of the year. Power motor replacements cost $100 to $250 in parts and labor, and most of the time, the motor was never the problem. Trick 3. Unstick a seized parking brake cable. You release the parking brake pedal or lever on your truck or car and the vehicle won't move because the emergency brake cable has frozen or corroded solid inside its protective housing, gripping the rear brake so tightly that no amount of lever pumping will release it. Before you call an expensive tow truck, find the cable running along the chassis underneath the vehicle. Spray WD-40 generously along its entire length and right into any exposed housing openings and let it soak for several minutes. Then, cycle the brake on and off while gently rocking the vehicle, and the deep, penetrating lubricant breaks the corrosion bond, or restores free movement and completely releases the lock tension. Once it frees up, give the whole run one more protective coat so road moisture can't creep back in and refreeze it, which matters most if you live somewhere with heavy winter road salt. Parking brake cable replacements run $100 to $300 depending on the model, and regular lubrication with a cheap can would have prevented the whole thing. Trick 2. Clean your mass airflow sensor housing. Your engine runs rough, the throttle feels incredibly hesitant, and your fuel economy has quietly tanked over the last few months. Before you pay for a full computer diagnostic, check the mass airflow sensor because when it gets coated with an oily film and dust, it feeds completely wrong data to the engine computer, and the result is weak performance, wasted fuel, and a stubborn check engine light. Remove the mass sensor from the intake housing, usually just 2 screws and a connector clip. Mist the housing area lightly to clear out any surrounding oil vapor. Let it sit about 60 seconds, then wipe gently with a clean, dry cloth and let it air dry completely before reinstalling. Make sure it's bone dry before you reconnect it, since a wet housing or sensor can throw off your readings and trip the very light you were trying to clear. A brand new factory sensor runs anywhere from $80 to over $300, so a 60-second clean before replacing it is always worth a shot. Trick 1. Restore your front grille. Your Toyota's front grille is the face of the vehicle, and right now it looks like a massive bug graveyard with road debris, brake dust, and baked-on insects turning a once bold finish into a dull, pitted mess. Spray WD-40 generously across the entire front grille, working it deep into the plastic slats and mesh where residue is baked in. Let it sit a minute, then go through it with a soft detailing brush. Wipe it down with a clean microfiber cloth and stand back because the grime lifts cleanly away. The plastic finish instantly darkens and sharpens, and the thin layer left behind makes future bugs and road debris far easier to wipe away during your next wash. Hit it again every few weeks during road trip season when insect buildup is at its absolute worst, and the grille never reaches that baked stage again. The front grille is the first thing anyone sees when you pull up, and a clean one says immediately that this is a vehicle someone takes true pride in. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and comment below which trick surprised you the most. Want more car secrets that can save you hundreds in repair bills? Click the next video on Genius Car Tips and your bank account will thank you.